Okay guys, this is the bath bomb from the store. And we're gonna do that one first. Oh, pretty. Just pretty. Okay, so this is my handmade bath bomb. Some of the bubble frosting, and I didn't put much of very much, just a tiny bit of cocoa bubble tea and a bit of polysorbate, and that's it guys. That's all I used. So yeah, that is nice. I didn't put any embeds in there because I didn't want to show you guys off from the actual duplicated bath bomb or bath fizzy that I got from the store. Okay, I don't have all day too. Oh, that's nice, that's nice. See, it float guys, and I don't even have a It's almost 3 minutes. So yeah guys, I think you should try this whenever you're promoting your bath bomb or bath fizzy. Buy one from a store and compare it to yours. that's it guys, 5 minutes.